Back at it. Come on, girl. Not bad. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, auction find, you've seen that. Well, here it is. Last 2 days of last week, Dad was scouring around. We're looking for a backhoe. Why were we looking for a backhoe? Well, we sold our other one. The one that I used in the last video, I think it was a 210C. Good old girl. We've had it for 13 years. Paid 13 grand for it. And had a guy come along and offers 15 grand for it. So we sold it. We need a backhoe on this farm. Why do farmers need a backhoe on the farm? Few reasons. One, I feed and fill out of the ag bags with a backhoe. You see me do that. When you have cattle, cattle are like human beings. I mean, some of them get older and they live a long time and they may end up having a heart attack. I mean, it's don't happen all the time, but you might see a cow come in one morning and she'll be laying there dead. It happens. That's life. So we need something big to dig a hole and bury it, just like a person. So, and then another reason we do a lot of clearing, fence rows and trees and things like that. So, yeah, he found this. This was all the way down in Kalamazoo. If you forgot what the backhoe looked like, we just sold. Here it is. We've been wanting to upgrade it for a while, but you know the old saying that everything's for sale. Well, that guy just come and happened to ask Dad, "Hey, do you know of a backhoe for sale?" And Dad says, "Yeah, actually, you can look at ours. We're gonna sell it." And it happened that quick. 2 days later, he found this. Now this is a mean machine compared to that other one. We jumped up over 15 years, and this is just a real McCoy here. This is a heavy duty. I mean, for just being a dairy farmer here, this is quite the rig. All right, enough of the backhoe talk. So I know few of you guys want to know what he was looking for. Well, there it was. Well, let's get back to work. Let's see what we got going on today. Back at it. Come on, girl. Yeah, she got a little nippy last night, down in the 30s. So, and those tractors, those old 4430s, 4440s, they start cold. Easy, Smokey. Hey guys, I don't know where this thing just filled up. Plugged that blower up a little bit. I just went up because that thing's mounted with this. Look at this, is bright, fresh green hay. So what I'm going to do is let this sit. I had a block there. I was standing on this. I had her plugged. I was beating on that a little bit just to get, and that's all that was in it. So not too bad. I'm going to back this up. We're going to hook up, and I'm going to start filling on that first silo. We might as well knock it out. That breeze, you know, is working against us almost. It'll dry that hay out too much. I didn't think that was going to happen, but there's a possibility of it. Worst case, we'll just let it sit and get some dew on it, and then it'll be more moisture. You ready? Like that, we're back hooked up. What we were doing there, we were cranking that silo loader up, and it's dangling above the silo, so when I blow the feed in there, it'll blow under it and it loads from the top. Okay, so once it's full, we'll level it flat, we'll let this back down, and it just hovers over it, throws the feed out that chute out there. So that's just telling you what we were doing. But fire it up, hooked up, let's get going. We're back rolling. First silo's getting filled up. That's gonna do it for the video. Just got home. Take care and hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks.